From athletes to fitness enthusiasts, and even everyday people just looking to get in shape, it seems like everyone's shaking up a protein drink these days. But what's really behind this craze? The influence of social media fitness gurus is undeniable. With their chiseled abs and perfectly sculpted bodies, they swear by the stuff, claiming it's the key to unlocking muscle growth and faster recovery. But here's the twist. Some doctors are warning against it, saying that for most of us, protein powder might not be as essential or as safe as we think. It all started back in the 1950s, in a small lab where a scientist named Dr. John B. Sutherland was trying to solve a very different problem: malnutrition. After the war, many children around the world were struggling to get the nutrition they needed. So, Dr. Sutherland developed a powdered protein supplement from milk, an invention that would eventually lead to the protein powders we see on store shelves today. His goal wasn't to help bodybuilders, but to help the malnourished. Fast forward to the 1980s, and suddenly, the fitness world had a new obsession. Bodybuilders, looking for any edge they could find, latched onto protein powders as the shortcut to bigger muscles. By the 1990s, the trend exploded. Ads everywhere promised rapid muscle gain, faster recovery, and the perfect body, all with just a scoop of powder. It was marketed as the magic bullet for anyone looking to transform their physique. But is it really that simple? Protein is essential for muscle repair, growth, and overall body function. But here's the reality. For most people, especially those who aren't professional athletes, we're already getting plenty of protein through our diet. A simple breakfast of eggs, toast, or a bowl of beans will give you a healthy dose of protein. So, if you're already eating well, do you really need that extra scoop of powder? The answer, as many studies have shown, is probably not. In fact, for the average person, excess protein can be more harmful than helpful. Overconsumption can lead to kidney strain, digestive issues, and even an imbalance in other vital nutrients. Some experts argue that protein powders can actually do more harm than good, especially if they're not consumed mindfully. But let's not dismiss protein powder entirely. For athletes, people with specific dietary needs, or those who struggle to get enough protein from food, it can be a useful supplement. It's convenient, and in some cases, it's necessary. For those trying to build muscle mass or recover from intense workout, protein powder can help fill in the gaps where food falls short. Still, here's the big issue. Not all protein powders are created equal. Some are packed with artificial sweeteners, fillers, and even dangerous substances. In 2018, a study found that over 70% of protein powders tested contained trace amounts of heavy metals, including lead and arsenic. That's a little too close for comfort when you're just trying to get a protein boost. So, what's the takeaway? Protein powder isn't the miracle solution it's made out to be. While it can be helpful for certain groups of people, for the average person, it's not the key to a healthier or more muscular body. Real secret? Whole foods, balanced nutrition, and hard work. Protein powder might be the shortcut, but the real gains come from doing the work both in the kitchen and in the gym. And as for the hype, it's certainly powerful, but maybe not as strong as we've been led to believe.